Welcome back to the TMAX restoration project, and in this video we are going to be trying to get it started. So this is the little I guess it's the rotor that connects to the ignition. I have it set right here and I want to see if it will start. I added gas and it should crank, but we are going to find that out. There's the priming. And I'm looking at the it does not want to start. I hear the oh, that was a kick. That was good. It fired a little bit. I wonder. Oh, that was good. All right. That is actually a good sign. And then hold the brake. It wants to start. One, two, and it wants to start. I don't think it's getting fuel. So along with the air filter, there's this filter that's super dirty. So we'll have to pull that out. But what I wanted to get to is this switch, the side stand switch. And there's this little bit of plastic and contacts. And when you turn the key, it goes like this. Problem, I think I had it backwards and it's still turned on. Let me see. I had it like this and this gave me a 19 error. When I turn it this way, like this, there's no 19 error. And if you listen, it actually wants to catch. See? No 19 error. So it does want to catch. So let's see if giving. Oh my God, I just want it. These vacuums. So I just pulled the spark plug from here. I'll show you the status in a bit, but I just wanted to complain a little bit more about this. I mean, the hole is there. You should be able to squeeze something in there, but this radiator guard is in place. So I just kind of fit a very long extension and then one of these, and I fitted it right through in here. But very difficult with the fork and the wheel in place. But I did get one spark plug out. So this is a spark plug on the left side or right if you're sitting on the bike. But you can see it is dark. The gap is really long. I don't know if that's normal. This is a standard CR7E. So the other spark plug, I'm still going to see if I can get it from here. I'm not sure if I can. It is right here. So I got my hand on it. There we go. Came out. So that's the, oh, it is just so tight to work on this bike. I'm glad you don't have to remove that front plastic, but it does make things a whole lot easier. With the long extension, and I'm just going to reach my hand in here, pull out the spark plug. There we go. Here we go. So here's the difference of spark plugs. This is the one I got from this cylinder, and the other one. So I do wonder if it's just the spark plugs. First place I checked, nope, spark plug. So I'm gonna have to check another place. Go to Pep Boys or something. Pep Boys. Hey, good space. Nice. Well, these guys didn't have it. AutoZone for the win. So I got the two spark plugs. They're the same kind and everything. I'm gonna put them in and then I'm gonna crank up the bike. Socket. So it's just for spark plugs. I'm going to fit it in here and I'm going to thread it by hand. I'm really hoping it's just as easy as the spark plug. Crossing my fingers here. Got the battery kind of charged. I'm going to hold the brake and no, I guess it wasn't that. Oh my God, it's running. Barely. It seems to be easier to pick up though. I just get the feeling that the injectors are clogged. So I want to see if I can remove that. There's more stuff to remove. So there's these rails here. 10 millimeters. There we go. I'm trying to look at this hose, but it's got this very intricate clamp. So I take a flat screwdriver, just kind of twist it, and now it's unhooked. Move this. A little bit of an issue here. The bike starts, but I think there's some issue with the air. That the smoke is coming from the exhaust. It's running really hot, and there is gas coming off. So out of that little hole from the exhaust, gas is falling here, and obviously it is getting this so hot. So it's kind of weird. Like I didn't run it for very long, and it's mostly like, I think, gas from this little hole here that's meant to get rid of some of the I guess water condensation down here, but now it's kind of streaming out, and the exhaust is just getting so hot. This is a last resort sort of thing, but I had something similar happen, and this was a suggestion of Motorola USA. Check out this channel online. I'm going to remove the oil, and the reason I'm removing the oil is that possibly there could be gas inside, and that's not letting the bike run, and the reason there's gas coming out of the exhaust. I had something similar happen on my Ninja 250, and as soon as I changed the oil, and actually it happened to two of my Ninja 250s, so I'm hoping that this will work. This, I believe, is the drain plug, 17 millimeter. I got my drain pan, and I'm going to be paying attention to it. My drain pan is actually pretty dirty, so I'm going to just remove this and see really quick if there's, there we go. Yeah, I don't see. Yeah, I was kind of hoping to see some gas or something coming out. Just let it drain really well. I mean, that oil is super gunky. So a refill is going to be about 2.8 liters. The engine oil amount is 3.6 liters. So just so you know, on these TMAXs, you have the drain plug there, and you also have a oil sight glass right here, which is a little hidden by the side stand. With the oil added, I am just going to see if it'll start up any easier. It's also been sitting for a while. I don't know if that's going to be a big difference, but That's as far as I've gotten today on the TMAX. It was an improvement, at least I got it to work. The ignition works. I know now that it's not an ECU issue, but there seems to be some sort of fuel air mixture that's not right. It's fuel injected, there was no gas in the oil, so I'll probably do some research tonight and see what could possibly be. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.